What's this DPDP Act everyone's talking about? Does it even relate to me? And what am I supposed to do about it?
Don't worry, the DPDP expert is here. Let's learn what the DPDP Act is all about. DPDP stands for Digital Personal Data Protection Act. It's India's new law about how organizations collect, use, and protect your personal data. Think of it as India saying, yes, we're going digital, but responsibly. Now, let's meet the two key players in this law. First, the data principal. That's you, anyone whose personal data is being collected. Second, the data fiduciary. That's the company, hospital, or government body that decides why and how to collect your data. Your personal data forms a bridge between you, the data principal, and the organization, the data fiduciary. The DPDP Act makes sure this bridge stays secure, transparent, and based on trust. Now let's look at your rights and the company's responsibilities. Under the DPDP Act, you get powerful rights to control your data. Right to know, right to correct, right to erase, right to nominate. Similarly, data fiduciaries carry multiple responsibilities. Protect your data. Report breaches. Transparency in use. Appoint DPO.
Okay, sounds good in theory. But how does it actually affect us in real life?
Great question. Let's see a few examples. First, mobile app permissions. When you install an app, it must ask for permissions like location, camera, or contacts, clearly and upfront. And it can use them only for the stated purpose.
So apps can't just access everything silently anymore?
Exactly. You decide what they can access. Let's look at few more examples. Messaging and calling privacy. You won't get promotional calls or messages unless you've opted in first. Student and children's data platforms. They must take parent or guardian consent before collecting a child's data. Ride booking and delivery apps. They can use your location only to complete your ride or delivery, not for extra tracking. In short, the DPDP Act is India's big step toward a safer digital world. It gives individuals control and makes businesses responsible for protecting data.
So it's not just another law, it's changing how companies treat our data. And it gives us the right to act if something goes wrong.
We've only covered the basics, there's a lot more to explore. Drop your questions in the comments. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends.